skånska yhtiökin
Today on 8th of October 2020, back inside Pohjoisranta on stranden 20 stickers here in Kruunhagen, Helsinki and Helsinki. We have also filmed the stickers A and B here. But we still need to take pictures of the stickers B because there was some strange situation there.
Yeah.
But we'll get there later. Capacity is 4 persons or 320 grams, so evergreen pictures. Just stand it and finish here. It's here. Very beautiful stickers as well. This is the same style as stickers A. Because the case B has those beautiful bows above the columns. So B is a bit different.
Yeah.
I filmed it also. And this was built in 1929 and turned 90 years old in 2019. And more or less in early 2004. And this one has 8 floors. Silver SH1061. And it will be inspected in 2003. Also used the Swedish metal plates beneath the Finnish one, but it was screwed away.
Yeah.
But, well, it still deserves 2 rides. It has a bench as well. Alright. Let's enjoy the ride. Yes. It's another of the more beautiful ones, but of course not the best, but one of the more beautiful ones.
Yeah.
But everything is still much better than generics.
Yeah. And the white LED doesn't fit here.
No, of course not. So, well, this is still one of the better, if not the best ones in this district. Because, well, this is as good as the 1907 Chemnitz, and it was more or less 1997. But this was also have a green, but earlier green.
Yeah.
So, well, it's at the same level. Then, of course, the ones more or less with MP8 are better. They're also close here.
Yeah.
The old is from 1928.
Yeah.
Or was it 29? But yeah. But these buttons still fit in here perfectly well also.
Yeah.
Even though I think still the earlier Evergreen is even better than this, but still.
Yeah.
They are almost as great.
Yeah.
And then it's nice that they more or less this with a simpler version that is the gate like this. Let's take a sign and try it.
Expected package maintained by Kone.
And a very beautiful interior. It beeps now.
Yeah.
Built in the same style as the Parliament building in Helsinki.
Yeah.
It's neoclassicism or even early modernism, or early functionalism.